Okay, so boys and girls, let's move on to section B. So work out these questions carefully and write the answers in the boxes or blanks provided. So write the numbers in words. Okay, 8,007. Okay, so this one, I'm going to spell it out here. 8,007. So there's no need for a comma, alright, because there's no hundreds place. Okay, next, 6,213. So again, 6, this one, 1,000, I'm not going to write. Okay, you write on your own. 6,000, before I write 200, you must add a comma. Okay, 200, I'm sure all of you know how to spell. Now, the common mistake among all of you is actually the spelling for 13. And 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Okay, please do your corrections. Okay, if you know there are a lot of mistakes, please write out the whole thing. Unless I draw a bracket on top of that particular word, then you spell for that word. Okay. Question 2. Arrange the numbers in order. Begin with the smallest number. So when we compare, remember, we compare the thousands place first. Okay, the first number. So the smallest number is actually 7. And then let's compare the hundreds place. So 4 is the smallest compared to 9. So 7,495, followed by 7,945, followed by 9,475. Remember, starting from the smaller number, right? And then, of course, the last one will be the biggest, 9,745. Okay, let's go on to question B. So this time round, it is beginning with the greatest number. Just now was the smallest, right? So again, let's look at the thousands place. So there's only one greatest number, which we see here, 6,523, followed by 5623. Okay, now we have two 4-digit numbers starting with 3. So we compare the hundreds place. Which is bigger? This is bigger, right? So therefore it's 3,652, followed by the smallest number, 3,562. Okay, let's go to this one. I think a lot of you have forgotten how to do this question. Okay, let's highlight together what are the keywords. First, we need to make greatest and smallest. Now, what do they want? They want a 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit. Some of you want to use all the numbers here. How many digits do you see here? 5. We don't need 5, we only need 4. Okay, and they have a specific condition. Do not start with the digit 0. If you start with the digit 0, it becomes a 3-digit number. Okay, so let's go to the greatest 4-digit first. Greatest, So very simple, right? Greatest is we look at the greatest number. Which number is biggest? 9, followed by 6, and then 3. Last number, 2. Now, do we need the 0? No. If we put the 0 in, it will be a 5-digit number. Do I want a 5-digit number? No. You need to read carefully. We need a 4-digit number. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The smallest 4-digit. What is the smallest? So same thing. Can I say 0 is the smallest? I start with 0? No, because they say do not start with 0. So what is the next smaller number? 2, right? Okay, so 2. Then we can put in the 0 as the second digit. Okay, then we put the 0 at the second place. Okay, so 2, 0. What is the next smaller number? 3 and then 6. So the smallest 4-digit number is 2,036. So your 0, never put it in front, but you can put at the second place. Alright, please do your corrections. Next, question 4, add these numbers. Okay, so same thing, 7 plus 2, start from the ones is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, this is very straightforward. There's no regrouping. Question B, 6 plus 5 is 11, so you regroup. 8 plus 1 plus 5 is 14, so 4, regroup. You must show your regrouping, okay? 7 plus 1 plus 4 is 12, and then you add here, 6 plus 1 plus 2 is 9. Okay, let's go to subtraction. Same thing, subtract from the ones place. 7 minus 5 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2. Very straightforward, no regrouping. Okay, most of you got this right. So let's move on to question B, the one with regrouping, and some of you actually still got this wrong. Again, do things step by step. Let's start with 2. 2 minus 9, can? Cannot. So we go and regroup. 2 to becomes 12, 4 becomes 3. So write clearly on top. 12 minus 9 is equals to 3. Now let's go to the tens place. Can 3 minus 5? No. So we need to regroup again. Here becomes 13. Regroup from the hundreds place. Here becomes 4. 13 minus 5 is 8. Okay, you need to count properly. Okay, 13 minus 5. So 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Okay, count backwards if you need to. Okay, then 4. Let's move on to this one. Can 4 minus 6? No. So we need to regroup again. So we regroup, here becomes 6. So 14 minus 6 is 8, and 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, please do your corrections and show your regrouping clearly at the side. Okay, multiply, same thing starts from the ones. 0 times 2 is 0, 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, this is very straightforward. Let's move on to B. This is where the regrouping starts. 9 times 7 is 63. So you need to put 3 here and regroup a 6 on top. Then the next step is 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 plus 6 is 34. So you regroup with the 3 on top. Okay, so 8 times 7, okay, is 56. 56. Remember the 3 here, plus 3. 56, 57, 58, 59. For those of you who are not familiar with the times table, you can always write down your 7 times table here. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So you write down first, so on and so forth, and then you count the group. Okay? Let's go to division. I hope you haven't forgotten your division. So same thing. Okay, starts with the outside, the number outside, which is the tens place. So 9 divided by 3. Remember? Daddy, Mommy, sister, and brother. So divide first. 3 times table. 3, 6, 9. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then 3 times 3, Mommy, equals to 9. Sister is subtract. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Brother, bring down the next number. So same thing, repeat the order again. 6 divided by 3. 1, 2. And then 2 times 3 is 6. Sister, subtract. Anything to bring down? Nothing. So no remainder. Okay, the quotient is 32. Answer is 32. Okay, now let's move on to 3 digit. So same thing, 4. So you label your 4 times table. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and then 40. Always write down your times table. Okay? So 7 divided by 4, which one can we take? Can we take this? No, not enough to minus, so it's 1. So write 1 here. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. Brother, bring it down. So let's start from Daddy again. Divide. 39 divided by 4. Let's look down the list, which is nearer, and we can subtract. This one, right? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 times 4 is 36. So now we can subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. And then we bring down 4. Okay, so let's repeat the process again. 6. Not 6. D. Divide. So 34 divided by 4, look down the list, which one can we take? Here, right? 32. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 32. Sorry, 8 times 4 equals to 32. Then we can subtract here. Now, there's no number to bring down. Okay, so this will be the remainder. So 198, remainder 2. Okay, so I will record up to 162. The next video, we will then watch the other questions on page 163 to 164.